one. And, you know, I've said it before, and I'll say it again, that I am the musician and performer that I am right now, today, because of these guys. And I also gotta give a big ups to, he's not here right now, but I gotta give a big ups to Todd Hanhurst, because if Todd wasn't in the band when I was in the band, I certainly wouldn't be the performer that I am, and he's not here, but, yeah. Thank you, Todd. Man. I gotta be honest, I'm having a really, really good time. Sweating my ass off, but I'm having a good time. So now listen. See my handprint for grabbing this? So listen, considering it's my last night, and considering you guys are having such a good time, I was wondering if possibly you guys would feel like singing with me. Do you think you can do that? Do you think that y'all can sing with me? I said, do you think you can sing with me? Well, alright. It's simple. All you gotta do is repeat after me. Here we go. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. You sing it. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk. I think you can do better. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Louder! Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Dance, jump on it. If you sexy and flown it. If you freak it and own it. Don't brag about it, come show me. Come on, dance, jump on it. If you sexy and flown it. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Thank you so much.